Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to convert date time to date in Salesforce. So let's proceed and learn how to convert date time to date in Salesforce. So in Salesforce, date time and date are two different data types and we can use them interchangeably. And to perform an operation of comparison on dates and on a date time value, we always need to be convert them to the same data type. And for converting them to the same data type, we use a date value function of the Salesforce. And the syntax of this date value function given on your screen. Date value function. And the expression we use in this date value function is date time field. So let's proceed and learn to convert the date time to date in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly move to our Lightning org. So here you can see that I am login with my Salesforce account, and by default it is login in the Lightning edition. If you are not login in the Lightning edition, so firstly switch to the Lightning 1, and here we are clicking on the gear icon and then click on the setup option to move to our setup home page, and our setup home page is open. Now click on the object manager because we are going to convert the date time to a date field, so we need an object for converting this. So I click on this object manager and here I am going to search the object on which we use this formula, and here I am searching for the payment object and I enter the payment in the search box, and here is the payment object. Click on this payment object, and this object is a standard object and it will redirect us to the detail page of the payment object. And here I'm going to select the fields and relationship. I am going to select this fields and relationship because I need the field where I am going to add the formula to convert date time to the date. So I click on this fields and relationship option and it will redirect us to the field and relationship page, and here I click on the new button for creating the new field. And now this time I want to choose the field type, and here I am selecting the formula field type, a read-only field that derives its value from a formula expression you define. The formula field is updated where any of the source field change. After selecting this field type, click on the next button and we move to our next step. Now choose the output type. Firstly, we enter the field label, and here we are entering the field label as a pay date cancel. So enter this field label, pay date cancel. After entering this field label, now enter the field name. By selecting the field, the field name is automatically get generated. And now scroll down, and here you can see there is a formula return type present. Click on the formula return type. Here we are going to choose the date because when we convert the date time to the date, it returns the date value only. So this time we click on the date checkbox because we want to return a date value. It calculated the date, for example, by adding or subtracting the days to other dates. After selecting the return type, click on the next button, and after clicking on the next button we move to our next step, that is formula step, where we add the formula. And here I want to add the formula in this formula field. In the right side you can see the functions are present. Now choose the function which you want to add, and here I want to add the date value. So I click on the date value and then click on the insert selected function, and here you can see the date value function is present under the formula field. Now it's time to pass the expression, and for this I remove this expression and then enter the field. We have already the cancellation date field which is a standard field. I click on this and click on the insert button. Our cancellation date field is is placed on the behalf of the expression, and then scroll down, and now this time check the syntax. Click on this check syntax button, and now when we scroll down, here we go, no syntax error in merge field or the function. Now scroll down, and here you can see the description and help text is present. If you want to enter any description and help text, then you can enter it, otherwise leave it as it is because it is a optional field. And you can also check the blank field handling. If your formula references any number, crunch your percentage field. Specify what happened to the formula output when their value are blank. After filling all the information, now click on the next button, and it will move us to the next step, that is establish the field level security. That select the profile to which you want to grant the edit access to this field via field level security. The field will be hidden from all the profiles if you do not add it to the field level security. But we want to add all the field to the field level security. So I click on the visible checkbox, the field security for the all profiles, and after that I click on the next button to move to the next step. And here we go, we move to our next step, that is add to the page layout. Select the page layouts that should include this field. The field will be added as the last field in the first two column section of these page layout. The field will not appear on any pages if you do not select the layout. And here one page is present, that is a payment layout. If more page is present, then you click on the checkbox of all the pages, and you need to customize the page layout according to yourself. So here I click on the save button, and you can see our field is created successfully. That is a payment date cancel. When you scroll down, you can see your field that you created. Where is our field? Here. This is our field, pay date cancel. Now let's see it works or not. So for this I click on the app launcher, and then click on the view all option, and then search for the payment object, and here is our payment object. Click on this, and our payment record page is open. And here we go, our payment record page is open. There is a no record present, so I click on the new button to create a new record. So create the payment with all the mandatory fields. So firstly select this account, and then enter the amount, and here I enter the amount, and then select the status, and then select the type, and now scroll down and select the processing mode is this, and then scroll down again, and here is the cancellation date with the date and time in the additional information. So select the date, on which date you want to cancel the payment, and then select the time. I need to change the date, so I click on this, and then scroll down. If you want to enter any other field, then you can, otherwise leave it as it is, and click on the save button. And here we go, our payment was created, and move to our detail of the payment, this detail page of this, and here you can see your balance is this, and your payment pay date cancel is this, and in additional impact amount is this, and the cancellation date is this. This show the date and time both, but our pay date show only date. So this show you the date time is changed to the date. So with this we have learned how to convert date time to a date in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.